This is a quick tutorial on how to select multiple elements from a selector and apply to a view. This is a view from a general ledger cube. Let's see the names of the hierarchies to decide which one to use for the selector. From the view, it is going to be the period hierarchy. Let's resize and move the view to make space for the selector. In the hidden menu next to the period hierarchy, select Add Widget As, then Advanced Selector. A default layout of the selector will appear. Let's resize and move it to the desired position. With the selector selected, click on Properties, then Custom tab. Select Multiple Selection List. Nothing will be done in the layout. Add a title called Select Month or Months. Edit the style of the selector. Disable the set editor. Resize the selector again into place. Select a month and apply. The view does not update. One more action is needed. Select the view, click on Properties, then the Synchronize tab. Enable synchronization on all hierarchies. See the different ways to select the months and the view being updated accordingly. That is how you enable multiple element selections from a selector and then apply to a view.